A heartwarming reunion took place when a soldier returned home from duty and was met with a mix of confusion and eventual joy from their loyal dog. Watch as the dog's initial hesitation gives way to excitement and love. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like these. It's moments like these that remind us of the unwavering loyalty and affection of animals, leaving us to wonder if we truly deserve their companionship. Share your thoughts in the comments below.